What's up, guys? 2018 Donruss 4-box random teams number 1. Going live. Timestamp 7:05. Already got the teams in and the names in. We randomize both, throw you in a spreadsheet, and wherever you line up, that's who you get. Dice has to be 4 or more. 3 is not going to work. Rolling again. It is a 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last and final, number 9. Rams, Saints. Rams on top, Saints on the bottom. Guess I can't just say Rams and Saints. Let's do the names. Again, 4 more. It is a 5. 5 times on the names. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Melania on the top. Michael on the bottom. I think I said your name right. There you go. That is who you have. Code for the teams, VAKLEP, and for the names, HPGMHJ. And we're done. Timestamp 7:07. Thanks, guys.